Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to give your Power BI reports a professional look, you know how important a clear, attractive title header is. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to add and style a title text box in Power BI Desktop, step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a polished header that immediately grabs the viewer's attention, perfect for making your report stand out and look much more purposeful. Let's dive right in. So to start, we need to add a text box. In Power BI Desktop, look up at the ribbon, there's a text box button right there. Go ahead and give that a click. With one tap, a blank text box appears on your canvas, like a blank sign just waiting for your message. Now simply type in your desired title. Don't worry about making it perfect right away. Just get the text in there so you can see the placement. Something like 2024 Sales Overview or Monthly Performance Dashboard works well if you're not sure what to use. Putting a clear, concise title up front gives your viewers immediate context. They know exactly what they're looking at. Once you've got your title typed out, it's time to make it stand out. Right now, it's probably a little small and underwhelming. Click within your text box so it's selected and look over to the formatting options above. The font size is the first thing to adjust. Think of this step like making a headline in a newspaper big and bold so it jumps out at you. Increase the font size. You want it large enough to be the clear focal point, but not so big that it overwhelms your whole report. Find that middle ground, and if you aren't sure, try a few different sizes until it feels right. Next, play around with the font itself. Power BI offers a handful of options for fonts, so pick one that fits the mood of your report. Maybe you want something modern and clean, or perhaps something classic and formal. This small tweak really helps set the tone, kind of like choosing the style of a billboard for your business. Once you're happy with your font, center the text both horizontally and vertically. Centering makes the header look balanced, which creates a much more professional impression. If it looks slightly off, don't hesitate to nudge the text box using your arrow keys to get it just right. After you've got your font and alignment sorted, it's time to add a splash of color. Select a font color that stands out against your report's background. If your dashboard is dark, consider a white or yellow title. If it's light, maybe a navy blue or deep green. The goal is contrast and readability. You don't want your audience squinting to figure out what your report about, and if you want to go a step further, add a subtle shadow behind the text. This gives your title depth and makes it pop, almost as if it's floating above the page. It's a subtle effect, but it really elevates your presentation. Finally, let's talk about the text box background transparency. By default, Power BI gives your text box a white, semi-opaque background. To make your header feel more integrated, like it belongs right on top of your report, adjust the background transparency all the way up to 100%. This erases the background so your title floats cleanly on whatever visuals or colors you've got behind it. No more distracting boxes, just a sleek, modern header. This last step really pulls everything together for a tidy and unified look, and that's it. With just a few thoughtful tweaks, you've created a title header in Power BI Desktop that's both eye-catching and informative. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And if you have any questions or want to share your own title tips, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI how-tos and data visualization tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.